Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your previously deleted games on your Xbox One. So press the Xbox button, go down to My Games and Apps, then go to See All. Then scroll on down to Full Library. So these are going to be the games that you previously had on your account. You can see which ones are currently installed and which ones you have to download, indicated by the arrow facing down. So just go to one of the games that you deleted in the past and then select it for download. So we can go to one of these games, maybe like Minecraft Preview. I'm not sure what this is, but we can go ahead and install this on our Xbox now. So let's go to install, and we can see this installing under the queue. So we can go to the queue right here. Looks like I have Overwatch. So maybe I didn't click on that to install. But that's how you can find the games that you previously had. Just go to Full Library, and then you can install them once again and download them from the internet. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.